Introducing the Advanced Witness Series AWS-3005 Intellect Torque Tester, a powerful and versatile testing solution designed to meet the rigorous demands of today's production facilities. This state-of-the-art torque tester combines exceptional accuracy, user-friendly features, and robust construction to elevate your quality control processes. With a torque range of 550 lb. The AWS-3005 Intellect Torque Tester is ideal for a wide array of testing applications, ensuring precise and reliable measurements. Its bidirectional capability allows for testing in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions, providing comprehensive analysis of torque values. The AWS-3005 features a user-friendly interface with a large backlit display, making it easy to navigate through various functions and settings. The tester's robust welded steel housing guarantees durability and longevity, even in demanding production environments. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Advanced Witness Series AWS-3005 Intellect Torque Tester. Its versatility, accuracy, and durability make it an indispensable tool for ensuring the quality and consistency of your production processes. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience the ultimate in testing efficiency and reliability.